Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Jasenia. If you are new here, welcome. And in today's occasion, I want to show you how to make albóndigas de camarón, so shrimp albóndigas. And they're super easy to make. All the ingredients that you're going to need are as pictured here. I will leave the exact measurements down below of this recipe, but you will want to begin by cleaning out 1 pound of shrimp and go ahead and divide them in just like this and repeat the process. Next, go ahead and rinse out your shrimp very well and pat down with a paper towel. Next, go ahead and grind up your shrimp as best as you can before adding in the egg and the bunch of cilantro. The next step is you want to take your combination of the 1/4 of a teaspoon of oregano with a 1/4 of a teaspoon of black pepper and 1/2 a teaspoon of salt. I just added half of that mixture into the shrimp. And then I also took a bunch of cilantro that I had cut up and combine that in there as well. It is completely optional to add in diced onions into this as well. Proceed by adding 1 entire egg into the mixture and go ahead and bring that all together just like this. In this way, it'll be easier to continue to blend the entire shrimp very well. Once the mixture has fully grinded together, go ahead and grab just a handful and go ahead and round up your shrimp as best you can in the shape of a ball and repeat the process. Proceed by adding your 2 tomatoes, 3 garlic cloves, and 3 chile de árboles in to blend, along with half of the fourth of the onion and the other half of the spices. And go ahead and boil until the skin peel comes off. To that, you'll want to incorporate your 1 shrimp bouillon to go ahead and blend together just like this. Go ahead and add your mixture into your pot, and to the pot you'll go ahead and add an additional 4 cups of water just like this, and allow that to simmer and mix. Once it does come to a boil, I'll go ahead and add in your remaining vegetables and allow that to cook thoroughly until your potatoes are nice and soft. Next step is you want to add additional onion powder, black pepper, and salt to your liking, but I added about half a teaspoon additional of each. Once your vegetables are nice and tender, go ahead and add in your shrimp albóndigas one by one. Just like this, all it needs is about 5 minutes of boiling. And finally, go ahead and add in your cilantro. And then go ahead and give it one last stir and get ready to serve. Now your albóndiga soup should look something like this. Quite delicious, honestly it's flavorful, but I do hope that you enjoyed this video. Other recipes like this are listed within the channel, such as other caldos and yummy recipes that I'm sure you'll enjoy. But go ahead and serve, add chili oil or the salsa of your preference, and top off with lime, and of course pair it with your tortillas de maseca or just regular corn tortillas, whatever you like. I'm sure that you enjoy it on its own as well. So thank you very much for having watched this. If you haven't already, feel free to subscribe to this growing YouTube family and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of your future videos. With that being said, I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.